In this video, I am going to help you edit a post after you have posted it. Let's say I'm on my Instagram and I want to edit this post that I posted a while ago. So in order to do that, you want to tap on these three dots at the top right corner, and from this menu, you want to tap Edit. Now here, as you can see, I could add collaborators to this post, or I could add AI label, or I could add music or location, whatever I want. I could edit the caption and type whatever I want. I could tag more people. Already there is just one person tagged in it. I could edit alt text. Actually, I haven't done it before. It says alt text describes your photo for people with visual impairments. Okay, you could do that. I have never done that. And basically, that's all you can do. Unfortunately, editing the photo itself, like changing the brightness or sharpness or something like that on the photo, is not possible after posting it. Hope this helps, and don't forget to subscribe for more.